All right, everybody, this is an update video. The update is based on this little unit right here called the HovaBator. I put a link below that video here, and I don't know if anybody even went and looked at it, but it worked great. It has two power cords because it has an egg turner built in. So if you get the whole kit, you get that little thing in there, and it actually rolls them naturally. So I got little marks all over my hands, but that is Kira's. And she's over here right now taking care of her results. Let me turn this light on right here. And look at her little results. So she ordered, I think, 30 eggs and shared them with a friend or whatever, the schooling thing. And this is called a rough run or a backyard mix. So it's a little bit of everything. I think she knows what they might be. I haven't a clue. I think that one over there looks like a leghorn mixed with something. This one here looks like a crapping chicken. And I think this one over here is a crapper too. I missed that one. But all of these little chicks come from eggs ordered on eBay of all places. So if you take a look closer here, you'll see the results. Now one of them, let me see if I can find her. I actually had to remove from the egg, which is, I think this one right here, has got a tag on her foot. So we wanted to keep an eye on her and see what she was doing. But she's tiny and she couldn't get out of the egg. So I had to actually take tweezers and help her out because the rest of them, you know, the other two were going to die, and I pulled her out. But that's a normal thing you do when you raise animals. But as it sits right now, Kira is working on how many more?
About 20.
About 20 more. So she don't know to stop this stuff. All right, so you see it's a success. 21 days, keep the temperature between 99.3 and 99.8, and then about 4 days or so before they're scheduled to hatch, cut it back to about 96 even. And this has a humidity trays in it and the little thermostat thing that is bulletproof. Don't mess with it, adjust it, keep it in a room that's constant so they don't have to try to fluctuate. But other than that, my little cowgirl has made her some more chickens. So we're going to change her name to Chicken Girl now. All right, y'all be good, man.